Short stories in English. George Washington is one of the most popular presidents of the United States, known for leading the Continental Army in victory over the British in the American Revolution. He was an American political leader, military general, statesman, and founding father who served as the first president of the United States from 1789 to 1797. He helped to define what the role of the president would be going forward. Washington was born in a wealthy family on February 22, 1732, at Pope's Creek in Westmoreland County, Virginia. He was the first of 6 children of his parent. Washington did not have the formal education his elder brothers received at Appleby Grammar School, but he did learn mathematics, trigonometry, and land surveying. He was a talented draftsman and map maker. By the late 1760s, Washington had experienced firsthand the effects of rising taxes imposed on American colonists by the British and came to believe that it was in the best interests of the colonists to declare independence from England. In October 1781, with the aid of the French, who allied themselves with the colonists over their rivals the British, the Continental forces were able to capture British troops under General Charles Cornwallis in the Battle of Yorktown. This action effectively ended the Revolutionary War, and Washington was declared a national hero. His impressive leadership there convinced the delegates that he was by far the most qualified man to become the nation's first president. George Washington's presidency was marked by a series of firsts. He signed the first United States copyright law, the first Thanksgiving proclamation, making November 26 a national day of Thanksgiving. Under Washington's leadership, the states ratified the Bill of Rights, and 5 new states entered the Union: North Carolina, 1789, Rhode Island, 1790, Vermont, 1791, Kentucky, 1792, and Tennessee, 1796. In 1796, Washington declined to run for a 3rd term of office, believing his death in office would create an image of a lifetime appointment. The precedent of a 2-term limit was created by his retirement from office. At the time of his death in 1799, George Washington owned some 300 slaves. However, before his passing, he had become opposed to slavery, and in his will he ordered his slaves to be freed after his wife's death. Washington left one of the most enduring legacies of any American in history. Known as the father of his country, his face appears on the US dollar bill and quarter, and hundreds of US schools and towns, as well as the nation's capital city, are named for him.